Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 11 Pro and let me share with you how to reset camera settings on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and right now we are in the video mode, but it does not really matter on which mode you will be because the reset option is kind of general for all of them. What is more, I hope that you can see this special type of a grid line. I've applied it before I've started the recording, and it is because I'd like to show you the visual evidence that the reset option will work. So in order to get to proper settings, we have to tap on the three bars icon in the right upper corner and tap on the settings. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom and tap on Restore Defaults. Confirm it. And as you can see, nothing happened. But let's go back to the camera, and as you can see, we do not have the grid lines, which simply means that we just successfully reset all camera settings and customization. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.